Trying to find someone that's not my fit. Trying to find the one
May vocal ba?
that makes me feel
Okay na di ay. Wala na? Alayan ko, Jo, Leo, kay kong kamot.
This song is different. So because of you, it's better than it's ever been. 'Cause we can talk it through. My favorite line is can I call you sometime? It's all you have to say to take my breath away. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do, it's just got to be you. My life was just I finally
Ha? Magbabawa.
found someone. I finally found
Wala na ay.
someone.
Hindi na video ba? Asa? Hindi na.
Didn't even wait. I apologize. And I wait forever just to know you are mine. You know I love your hair. I love what you wear.
Balance pulawa.
But you're exceptional. I can't wait for the rest of my life. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do,
Apit na mo man.
it's just got to be you. Oh yeah, my life has just begun. I finally found someone. And whatever I do, it's just got to be you. My life has just begun.
Nanulon.
Finally found someone.
Toy. Okay.
What? Tagay ko.
Balik ka na. Ha? Ano niya ram? Dungan na tayo na.
Thank you, contestant number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, after our 4 contestants for duet competition,
Hindi ko balong palo.
we will have our candidates for